Testing, testing, testing. Hi there guys, my name is Rohan Beve, and in today's video we are going to be talking about how do locks and keys work. Now in today's video we are going to be talking about how do locks and how do keys work together. So maybe let's say you came back home from vacation or just anywhere outside, you're tired, you take your house keys, you put it in the door, you turn it, you unlock it, you go inside and rest, right? But have you ever wondered, how does that lock work? Now, the most common type of locks and key include the pin tumbler lock, okay? Which is one of the most common types of locks. You can find them in, well, doors and other stuff, and other doors and stuff like that, okay? But we're going to be looking on how does a pin tumbler lock work for today's video, okay? So as the name more or less suggests, okay, what a pin tumbler lock how it works is there will be this cylinder, okay, with the slot in. And you see this cylinder can rotate, okay, but it's blocked by a bunch of pins connected to springs, okay? Now these pins, which are again connected to springs, basically block the cylinder from moving and opening the door, because connected to that is the thing that connects to the door frame, right? So since you can't move it, right, then the door will stay locked. So we go with the key. You see, keys are specifically designed with these special grooves. Now, each key is basically unique, okay? Each and every key and each and every lock are basically unique because you see the key, you know, all those bumps and ridges have to fit in those pins, okay? So let's say you took the wrong key, okay? And you connect it to the door, right? Once you connect it and you try turning it, since it's the wrong one, because the grooves on the key are different than the actual one, they don't align properly, okay? Meaning the pins don't get pushed back, or they can't be pushed at all, right? Hence, meaning that the door just can't move. But let's say you actually put the proper key in, okay? If you put the proper key in, all the pins will move to the perfect spot, okay? They will all be aligned. This line is known as the shear line. So once the shear line has been unlocked, okay, then and only then can you actually turn the key, which allows you to turn the cylinder, which pulls back the lock, allowing you to, well, open it and allowing you to go in, okay? And that's more or less how a pin tumbler lock works, okay? But that's, again, the most common. There are multiple types of locks and how they are open. For example, number locks, okay? So some locks use numbers, like a specific code, okay? Some use fingerprints and phones to enter, and some use passwords and cards, okay? But that's more or less how do locks and keys work, okay? And that's, well, basically it. Thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.